Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can save your edited image or photo on Microsoft Designer on your device, for example in PNG or JPEG file format or in any other supported file type here on Microsoft Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to the Designer, log into your Microsoft account and upload the photo. Here in the editor, what you want to do is, let me just add a change or edit here just for the sake of the tutorial. Let me change the contrast. So now I would like to save that image or photo or logo with these edits. To do that, click into download, click in the drop down menu and select one of these options: PNG, JPEG, PDF. PNG, click into download and wait for the download to be finished, and then the given image will be added to your list of downloaded files. So you may navigate to the download folder. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.